This leaf is called, in Trinidad, in the Caribbean, we call it wonder of the world. Um, I remember as a child, my brother and I, we had the mumps. As you know, the mumps makes your cheeks become swollen. And my mother would use this after praying to Adonai, our Elohim, the Elohim of Israel. We would come and we would pick one leaf for one side and another leaf for the next side. Warm it with candle, and we would put iodex on our cheeks and put the warm leaf on our cheeks, and we would band it with a cloth. She would tie a cloth under our neck, around our head, to keep it in place. And by the next day, the mumps disease was gone. So this is called, in Trinidad, the wonder of the world. I heard some people, they use it in salad now. So it does a lot of stuff. So I traveled all the way to the Caribbean to find this, to put it on YouTube, so that the children of Israel in the Babylonian captivity, the second Babylonian captivity, instead of going to the doctors to get side effect drugs filled with so many side effects, these are the herbs created by Adonai, our Elohim. So once again, this is called Wonder of the World, my brothers and sisters. So this is how it looks. This is the back of the leaf. Okay, brothers and sisters. So anyone suffering with the mumps disease, this is the leaf you have to get. Your health is your wealth. Peace out.